engineer, where are you headed? Carry me back to Tennessee. Oh, I got...
Hey everyone, welcome back to None the Wiser. My name is Brent, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do a compare and contrast of different types of speakers. Now, it's going to be a little unorthodox, but stick with me. There is a point to the video. This is a Ryobi. I don't know if it's a job site speaker. It's just a regular speaker, but it's powered by an 18-volt tool battery, so it's got a little bit of horsepower behind it in terms of power supply or potential energy. But this has 3-inch dual speakers at 15 watts. It has a smart amp inside, which creates a high quality sound behind it. It does have a USB-A output charger, so you can charge your phone, and I've been listening to this for a long time. With that being said, I love high-res quality sounds. In fact, I think high-quality sounds are more important than a lot of the visuals, because clarity and the bass and everything that comes along with sound is very important. And I've done a lot of research. In fact, I'm using right now, this is the newer microphones. It's wireless. I have wired. I have Tascam microphones. I've used a lot of different audios, and I've spent a lot of time learning about audios. And that's why I want to do this, because I want to compare these. And I found an industry disruptor, right? This is a technology disruptor within the sound space. This is Soundcore. Now, this right here is the Motion X600. Why is this so important? Well, it's important because it has spatial sound built into it. It has so many different speakers. Now, if you look at this, I'm going to read a little bit to you, but I'm just going to zoom in. Here, it has immersive spatial sound, high fidelity audio sound that fills the room. It has 9 different customizable bands through an app that's on your phone. Let's see what else. Advanced Bluetooth technology, 12-hour battery, waterproof IPX7, so actual waterproof technology built into it, and then it just has a really good design. Now, with me building this up, I think we really just have to open it, because there's a couple things about this, right? This is the speaker right here. You can see it's very simple. It has a nice aluminum handle on top, an aluminum face on the back, and yeah, it's plastic on back. But with that being said, this has so many different speakers. It doesn't have just 2 speakers and a tweeter. It has like 2 subs, and I think it has 3 different tweeters that are around it. When I bought it, because it was a technology disruptor, it does some crazy stuff. With that being said, you're going to see the difference between both of these, because they're both right around the same price. $89 for the speaker alone. Then you got to buy a battery for the Ryobi one, and that's going to cost you like another 75 bucks, right? That's a lot of money. This I got on sale for right around $145, but typically it's right around 200 bucks. Now, you're going to be able to play this for 12 hours. It's going to be able to charge. It has a built-in battery, and if you flip this out in the back, you can put an aux cable in there as well. There is no aux cable on this one, but this is advanced Bluetooth technology. So first, let's go ahead and turn them both on. It's going to pair to my phone.
Power on. Bluetooth connected.
Okay, now you're going to hear the sound from the back. I'm going to switch to the other side when we start doing our listening test. Now, this is going to blow your mind once you start hearing some of the outputs. Now, I have a media output manager on the phone. I have the S24 Ultra. So it actually has a really, really, really cool sound management system, I guess if you want to call it that. So let's not wait. I'm going to turn off my little noise canceling here. Okay, so now you should be able to hear kind of what it should sound like. First, we're going to play on the Ryobi speaker. Here we go.
Carry me back to Tennessee. Oh, I got a little girl who's been waiting. Promised that she'd marry.
Now let's do this Soundcore.
Gotta get this train down to the station. My little girl waiting for me. Traveling on that lonesome road. My one true love waiting there to see me. For that long old train. Oh, train, train, train. Won't you carry me home? Oh.
Now, whenever we think about these two things, you think, yeah, there's a huge disparity in technology, and I most certainly understand the disparaging portion of what I just said, but the disparity portion, it kind of comes back to a centralized area of how much does it cost. And if they're the same cost, but they're for two different purposes, maybe. This is not really considered a job site radio. It's just not. This is just a regular Bluetooth speaker, and it has got me through a lot of stuff, and for the most part, I thought it was awesome. And I've used it for a long time. However, well, now that I have this, I understand there's not an apples to apples comparison, but also recognize that there's different options out there. And there's industry disruptors like Soundcore that's doing magical things. Another industry disruptor is Wise. Wise has a set of headphones I actually wear every day at work, and I'm like 3 to 4 hours a day on conference calls and work. It is active noise canceling, has all this great stuff, and you can get them for under $100. If you get out there and you look and you take some chances, but you have to do your research, you can find some really cool stuff. I hope that this was helpful. I'm going to put a link to this down below. They're not sponsors in any way. I bought it, thought it was cool, wanted to share it with the world. So there you go. So I'm not getting any money out of this at all, but just go check out the link. Make an informed decision for yourself. And maybe you don't need one, but at the end of the day, it's cool to check out new technology. My name is Brent. This has been None the Wiser. Have a good one.
Carry me back to Tennessee. Oh, I got a little girl who's been waiting. Promised that she'd marry me. Mr.